Guys, this is my first video on this phone ever. So today, I'm going to show you how to make slime. Dang it, I'm going to get my balls. Don't judge me. One, two. So, you need something to mix in. Something to mix in. Something to mix with, and some glue and some laundry detergent. So this is so those are the stuff that you will need. So let's get started. So first you'll put whatever kind of glue you want, except for Gorilla Glue or all those stuff. But I'm using Elmer's because it makes a good consistency. So put it that. So I'm done pouring that in. Now you want to mix it with your mixture a little bit. And I mixed. Now you're done mixing. Oh shit, no. This has all gone wrong. When you're done mixing it, pour little by little the laundry detergent. Let's see that it's gonna start to form. See, it's starting to form. Mande, I am. I'm trying to. Try and hurry now because it's not like a regular camera. It's just like a phone camera. Try to make it not sticky. That's still sticky. Oh, see? Yeah, it's still sticking to your. You don't want that. You don't want that at all. You just want to pour a little bit more. A little bit more. Little by little. And then you'll see that's sticking to your pencil. But you don't know if it's ready or not. It has to clear your mixture bowl. See how it's cleaning out? You want that only that, okay guys? So yeah. Now I don't want this consistency. I want like different consistency. Yeah, I want different consistency. It's still sticky. It's sticking to the pencil. It's good, but it's still like glue. So add little by little. By the way, this is laundry detergent. Oh yeah. You see how it's cleaning out your thing? You like that. but I don't. It's still sticky. People will still play with it, but I don't want that kind of consistency because it's too sticky. So I'm pouring still more. But don't put a lot. Also not for your consistency that you want. Oh, dang, just making mess. So keep on mixing all of that. Dang, it's hard to mix. So yeah, and then gotta stand up, and that's it. You have to stand up. Oh dang it! I dropped the phone. Seriously, good day, sir. Oh dang it! My scratch still hurting. Here's my scratch. Make a good consistency. I'm talking like Ronald McDonald right now. Because it really is a good consistency. So, yeah. Telling you. Get up and go to the sink. And that's it. Goodbye.